It's more than just football. We're changing the lives and mindset of our youth. We came in here with a commitment to make a difference, having a balance between academics and athletics. We're here for them as mentors. We're here for them as counselors.
If you don't get to your young people now, when do you reach them?
I am Will Morgan, president and co-founder of the Chester Township Cougars Youth Association. The organization was founded by 2009.
It's come a long ways, baby.
When we started, we had nothing. We were overwhelmed. We just didn't have enough equipment. All that was here were two goalposts. Through fundraising, through anonymous donations, we still stand tall. In this city and other cities, we have gang fractions and rivalries. All that is left outside. When you come here, you one family. In June of 2017, we were vandalized. We lost a lot of equipment, and there were a lot of folks that reached out to help the organization. It gets very dark up here, and we're concerned about safety. So we drive our cars up, turn on our headlights. We have lights so the kids can practice in a safe environment. If I could have enough lighting to light this field, it would make practice better and safer. Kids can see, kids can enjoy in a safe environment that we are establishing for them. There used to be a sign in the city of Chester when you came in that said, "What Chester makes Chester." And that sign was there for a reason, because there was so much productivity in Chester. Everyone had jobs, but in time everything changes. So those things that were here that were making Chester productive left. Our downtown now is scarce. But the city is revitalizing, is making changes for the better. A lot of positive things that are happening in the city of Chester. And we're gonna be arriving at Coach Musa's barbershop. Musa is our football operations director. He's the kind of guy where he'll pull kids off the street. Hey, you play football? All right, come on. He's been a blessing to this program. Musa! What's going on, Coach? How you doing? All right, good to see you, man. All right.
You're not just coaching. You're a psychiatrist, your uncle, pop, brother. Different kids need different stuff. And you build a closeness with them because you're always there for them. Get on the bat phone, tell them, come on over. Played for Syracuse, then he went to Atlantic Falcons, but he always come back. And the football aspect was the easy part. It's dealing with the inner city, the kids, the parents, getting them signed up. Football is football. X and O's. So what I do is I ask all the old players from Chester to come back, give me their pictures, and then I hang them up in the shop so that the kids that played football, they can always point and look like, dang, he played here, he played here, he played here. It's just a reminder. So eventually I'm gonna have a whole wall filled with Chester players in different schools and so forth and that. Kids gonna love this.
On behalf of SB Nation and State Farm, we're glad to present these new lights here.
Yes.
So you guys can practice with safety.
The organization thanks you, the community thanks you, but more importantly, our youth thank you.
Oh, man.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. You guys are here. Save that energy. You can't play if you won't do it. 2 feet in, 2 feet in.
It has been said that the reason a man stands tall is because he's on the shoulders of giants.
Bigger picture. It's a park today, it's a complex tomorrow. That's the big picture.